Good morning, guys. For today's video, this is all about my daily activities in life. Start in the morning at around 5 p.m. I woke up and start my day with a glass of hot water. Yes, guys, it's been a while doing YouTube, but still there's not enough subscribers rather. I need you guys to please subscribe my channel so I could be someday be monetized by YouTube or earn some of my download videos. Please watch also, guys, and like, comment. Yes, guys, thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be on the YouTube creating some videos, just somehow to be able to be monetized. It's the simple goal in life. I am a Bisaya, guys, from Davao City, and kikiusap ko sa inyo na sana mapagbigyan po niyo yung kahilingan ko na simple thing. Just follow or subscribe my channel para po someday, yun nga po, guys, these things I've done I did for my family, not for myself. Ginagawa ko to para sa pamilya ko, hindi lang pa sarili. Kasi dito nakikita ko naman po na matyaga ka lang, masipag ka lang, magbubunga din po lahat. Just try to be patient and give extra hard work para ma-reach lahat ng gusto mo. Salamat, guys. Thank you so much, and have a nice day po sa inyo. God